What's the meaning of ask? Ask. Ask.
Ask. Ask. The word ask is a verb that means to request information or clarification from someone, or to make a polite or formal demand for something. It can also refer to the act of seeking advice or guidance from someone. When someone asks a question, they are inquiring about a particular topic or seeking further understanding. Asking can be a powerful tool for communication and learning, as it allows people to exchange ideas, share information, and better understand each other's perspectives.